What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben, and in today's video we are going to be talking the difference in Amazon categories, what profit and buy prices mean and how they relate to the revenue in your business, and then we're going to go over sales ranks. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I mentioned in today's video, we're going to be talking everything that you need to know about the different Amazon categories, sales ranks, and your buy cost versus what you sell it for. This video is actually made because I got a comment on one of my videos, and the comment had asked for a video something similar to this. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button. That helps out the YouTube algorithm immensely. As well, do not forget to subscribe so you can follow along on this journey. Alright, so the comment that I got on one of my recent videos kind of asked for something like this. So the comment goes, "Awesome video, I just sent out my very first order and I'm excited to learn more. I would love a video going through what types of products works best in terms of category, sales rank, price, etc. Keep it up." Awesome, thank you very much for that. And so I wanted to create this video so we could do a little bit of a dive to explain what the difference is between the Amazon categories and how their sales ranks for items differ and what that means, and then talking a little bit about price points as well. So if we take a look over at my screen, I've pulled up a couple of products. One is from the toys category, and then one is from the grocery category. So here we have Monopoly Marvel 80th Anniversary Collector Edition. So this is a Monopoly game. The rank for it is actually, as we go down here and see, 25,773 in toys and games. So what this means is Amazon has a bestsellers rank, and this bestsellers rank tells us that this is the 25,773rd product in the toys and games category. There's different software that can help speed up the process. This one is called RevSeller. This just gives you some quick information. Awesome little tool, and I'd recommend, if you guys are doing a lot of Amazon selling, to go ahead and grab this tool. This isn't an ad or a promotion or anything, just a great tool that I like to use. And so we see here, again, just reiterating, 25,000 in toys and games. We see that the sell price, matches what is here on the Amazon page. So just a bunch of quick information. So what we'll do is we'll use additional software that tells us what 25,000 in toys and games means. So I have this cool tool called Jungle Scout. This is just their extension. It's just a Google Chrome extension. If you guys like this, you can check out in my description below. This I actually am affiliated with Jungle Scout, and I will get you a sweet 30% discount off of their products. This is just the one we use. There's other tools out there, but that's just kind of what I have set up. So we can see here that the product populates, the price, that's the price that it's being sold for, so you know that's correct. So Amazon is saying that this is the 25,773rd in toys and games, and Jungle Scout says based on that, this thing is going to sell 275 in a month. Now this is completely just an estimation. What they do is they take the rank and they compare it to historical data of what has happened in the past, and now they're estimating and say, if you were to start purchasing and selling this product today, you can expect to sell 275. Now this does not take into account any of the other sellers that are selling it and going to be competitive with you, but this is just the overall sales for this product in that category. We are going to take a look at price as well for this product, and then I'm going to hop over and compare a similar product in a different category but having a similar rank, and we're going to go through the price and the sales volume on that as well. So in a real world application, we were offered this product at $15.26. So in my buy cost here, I'm going to go $15.26. And we see after all of fees and everything said and done, we're left with a return on investment of 17% and a margin of 9%. This does not take into account any prepping, labeling, shipping, anything like that. So this is probably more realistically closer to $16, which would drive our margin down even more. So if we put 16, 7%. So that's not what I'm looking for. That is too low for me in my business. I want to be making more money. I want to be at least 15% margin or 30% ROI. So this is why I'm not going to go ahead and purchase this product. Now there's an opportunity to go back and negotiate the price, etc. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick example. Really, it does not matter what category, what price point or profit you're making. At the end of the day, it literally just matters what your buy cost is, what you're selling it for, all of the fees and everything associated, and what you're left over with. And then the category, you just have to pay attention because the BSRs from one category over to the next category aren't going to be the same as we're going to see with grocery versus toys and games. So let's hop over there and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we have another product. It's Noni's Gingerbread Biscotti. As you can see here is grocery and gourmet food. This one falls in at the 10,000 mark. But as we can see, if we look at this tool here under sales rank, this tells us the last little bit. It goes anywhere from 50,000 to, down to 20,000. So this is going to be somewhere close to the other one. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at what Jungle Scout tells us this product sells. So here, if we pull it up, it says it sells 555 units a month. So this is going to be, higher than the 275 that we saw on the Monopoly. All I'm trying to say is at the end of the day, make sure you are comparing apples to apples, but as well, the category does not matter. The sales rank does matter, but it has to correlate to a category. And if it's good for that category, then it's a good product. If something is 100,000 in books, it's going to be a lot better because it's a big category than if it's 100,000 in toys and games. So just looking at these two different ones, I just wanted to show you some examples of categories, BSRs, etc. to address that comment that I got on the channel. We're going to talk about buy cost on this. I wanted to run another real world example just to show you guys that, profits are possible and this is something that we can actually make happen in the wholesale market. My buy cost on these Noni's for a 2-pack is actually $7.64. And then I like to estimate for every 1 pound that the item weighs about 50 cents. This is going to be on the high side. This is going to give you a really good idea of what your profits are, and it's going to be super conservative, so your profits will actually be a little bit higher in all likelihood. But let's add 50 cents on per pound. We can see the ship weight is just under 2 pounds, so we'll call that 2 pounds at 50 cents would be $1. My buy cost for this is $7.64 plus that $1, and then we're gonna actually add on 30 cents. That is the price that Amazon charges to label, and we're going to say that we get this product as a 2-pack. It comes together. That's how we're buying it from our supplier. So we add an additional 30 cents and we have $8.94. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Boom. So here we see our net margin or net profit on this is going to be $5.37. This is a 60% ROI and a margin of 23%. So this is a product that I would definitely buy under the circumstances given. It's 10,000 in grocery and gourmet food now. It is getting better as time is going on, so there's a positive trend to this. Price is fluctuating up and down, but we are taking, a snapshot that's kind of right in the middle, and this is exactly something that I would purchase, 12 or 24 units of. I'd go ahead and send those in, see how they sell through, and then from that point, then I have a good actual real world data estimation of how many I'm gonna sell per month, and then from there, I'll scale up and purchase, the 100 or 200 that I'm actually gonna sell per month, because this is the wholesale business. We work with suppliers who can can replenish our products and sell us the product again after we completely sell out. And we're gonna just do this forever and a day until something changes with the market, or the supply runs out, or manufacturer stops making it, whatever the case may be. But we're gonna run with it, and we're gonna make the money that we can off of this item. All right guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that I was able to show you something in terms of categories, sales ranks, and prices. Thank you again, commenter, for that comment. Guys, make sure that you comment down below this video and let me know what type of video you would like to see, and I will go ahead and make that video for you so we can all learn something together and we can grow our businesses alongside each other. If you are not involved in Amazon wholesale as of yet, I hope that I can teach you how to get involved in the process, because it is very straightforward and very simple. It just takes time and effort and a little bit of money. If you guys like my content, again, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know every single time that I post a new video. And until next time, take care.